Hello, my name is Tyson McLaughlin, and today I will be talking about recycling. Now, one of the biggest issues we face in today's world is the amount of trash that is everywhere. For example, there's a ton of trash in the oceans that get washed up to shore onto beaches, making beaches full of just trash. Another example is when you're walking downtown, you can just see trash lying all over the road or the sidewalk. And in my opinion, that's completely unacceptable. And a way that we can reduce the amount of trash is through recycling. In today's presentation, I will be talking about what recycling is, why we should recycle, and the benefits of recycling. Recycling, by definition, is the process of taking trash and making it into a new material. For example, when I was down in Missouri this past month, I saw that the Walmart employees' vest are actually made out of recycled water bottles, which I thought was really unique and cool because I had no idea you could just take a plastic water bottle and make it into an article of clothing. So that's just one of the ways that we can use recycling. Another way is if you had a glass bottle and you just threw it away in the trash, it would just go and get put in landfill and get burned. But if you recycle that glass bottle, within 60 days, it would be recycled and put it back into stores for reuse. So why should we recycle? Well, the main reason is because it reduces the amount of waste that there is. The EPA, which is the Environmental Protection Agency, estimated that 75% of all waste here in America is recyclable, but we only recycle about 30% of that, which is not anywhere near 35%. I mean, 75%. It's not even close. I mean, it is, but it's like less than half, which I think we can do better here in America, and I think that we should be forced to recycle. Another way that recycling is beneficial is that it saves energy. Just recycling 10 plastic water bottles saves enough energy to power your laptop for 25 hours, which is crazy. That's 10 plastic water bottles, probably the equivalent of what someone uses within a week, and that saves the amount of energy to power your laptop for 25 hours. That's just insane to me. Another way is that recycling 1 ton of office paper saves the amount of energy that 322 gallons of gasoline uses. Once again, that's crazy. The amount of paper that we use within schools, offices, and everything easily equals 1 ton within a few months to a year. So that's crazy in my opinion. Okay, sorry about that. And another reason why recycling saves energy is 1 ton of aluminum cans equals 152 BTU of BTU, which is equivalent to 1,025 gallons of gasoline or 21 barrels of oil. Once again, that's just crazy in my opinion. And finally, the benefits of recycling. So far, I have already talked about how recycling reduces the amount of waste that we use, and also how it saves energy. But another way is from minimizing greenhouse gases. So, as we know, I mean, I don't know if everyone knows, but once our trash gets taken by the dumpster, it is then put in a landfill. Then the trash is burned. Once that trash is burned, all those chemicals from all the plastics and everything else that is in that gas get burned, and those produce a bunch of off-gassing, which then goes into our environment, creating greenhouse gases, which then also contribute to global warming. So by recycling, we can reduce the global warming and the amount of trash that there is, and save energy, which is a lot of stuff just by that you can do just by recycling. In conclusion, we only have one Earth. This is our one and only Earth. So far, we haven't found anything else, and we have not been taking the proper care of it. And that's why I believe that everyone should be forced to recycle. Just to go over what we talked about in this presentation, we talked about what recycling is, why we should recycle, and the benefits of recycling. I thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a good day.